Was, wir cruisen ins Revier der Ballers. Dann machen wir da um. So, ja, der Grund, dass ich mal wieder Lust drauf habe, GTA zu spielen, besteht ja schon lange, also habe ich mir gedacht, da kann man gleich ein Let's Play draus machen.
You hit this up here and I'll go up and do another hood.
Achso, der haut jetzt ab. Und lässt uns da zurück. So, jetzt hau bloß ab. Schon wieder. Sie sind eure Erzfeinde.
What the fuck?
Was? Jetzt haben wir alle am Hals.
Get that fool!
Ja, haut's bloß ab. Jetzt müssen wir erstmal schauen. Achso. Den Fahndungsstern sind wir schon wieder los. Das ist gut. Aber die anderen Herren haben wir am Hals. Da ist nur, ne? Und jetzt schnell übersprühen. So, wir müssen zur Radarmarkierung. Da haben wir das nächste Graffiti. Das wird das da oben sein. Dann wollen wir mal der Affe.
Carl, quick, get in!
Sweet ist wieder da und holt uns ab. Oder werden wir... Müssen wir wieder los wieder... Achso, wir fahren wieder. Wie immer heute.
Back to the hood, CJ.
Begib dich wieder zu Sweets Haus. Okay. Das ist ja gleich da unten.
What the fuck's name are you doing?
So, Sweet, wir sind wieder da.
Like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, it all comes back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kinda short, you know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with nothing but small change.
Here, get yourself a beer or something. I'll catch up with you.
Und die erste Kohle haben wir gekriegt. $200. So, eine Sprühdose ist jetzt in CJs Haus vorhanden. Gut. So, dann wollen wir vielleicht einmal speichern. Und schauen wir gleich mal, wie der aussieht. Hat das Telefon nicht gelitten? Ah.
Carl, it's Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez. I work with Tenpenny and Pulaski.
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Hey, show me some respect, boy.
Go fuck yourself. You just a bitch.
You watch your tone, boy. Now listen, I've got a message from Officer Tenpenny. Don't try and leave town. That would be a big mistake. You hear me? We're watching you.
Whatever you say, bitch.
Ja, neben den Gangs, ja, haben wir ja auch die Polizei im Haus. So, dann haben wir, ja gut, wir können bloß zu Sweet.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ?
What's crack?
Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock the homies' hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chunks from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. So you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen beat up?
Nah, but him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, beat up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly, Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure.
Okay, Ryder, dann düsen wir mal ab. So, lustige Musik aus dem Radio. So, ein paar Blocks weiter und da ist die schon.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to for life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from around here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
It's just fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. If Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave, the average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in this city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Geh zu den Crackdealer. Crackdealer, wo ist der? Da drüben. Dann starten wir dann her doch mal einen Besuch ab. Brauchen wir da was Härtes?
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog? Dog, I got quality shit right here.
Go on, run away, homie.
Hauen wir gleich mal bald drauf.
Man, you meet some very important record people.
You got squabs, huh?
Trying to start some shit.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Du musst zur Bude des Dealers. Gut. Wo ist die
Man,
Bude des
we on a
Dealers? Da vorne?
serious mission now.
Hey, Buster, wait up.
Was?
Can I get a drink on that?
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussies.
Yo, mama.
Ja, komm halt.
Some of the sex shop's lingerie? No,
What's cracking?
I think I hear my pimp calling. Gotta go. See you. Did somebody just say milkshake?
Ja, da ist die Bude des Dealers, die wir jetzt aufmischen werden. Wenn möglich.
Wait. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Die Crackhöhle.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Fuck them Grove Street fools. Grove Street going down.
Ninja these motherfuckers. You won't know why you dead.
So, mischen wir mal das Pack auf da.
You better watch.
Was ist mit dem da?
Oh, you wanna go?
Oh.
Oh. Ain't no time to clown, homie. Let me handle this fool right quick.
Ja, leck, was ist denn da los?
Get out of my way.
What's your problem now? It's me.
Okay, das war's.
I'm your worst nightmare, fool, so give up.
Der hat's auch hinter sich. Gut.
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't even run out on me. Times change.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
Man, I'll warn the gang later.
Jetzt
For
brauchen
now,
wir
let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker.
erst einmal einen fahrbaren Untersatz. Und der Radl ist gerade nicht gut. Aber das Auto.
A bitch ain't got no time for this shit.
So, aussehen. Und es geht wieder zurück. Und vielleicht parken wir mal da, erinnert uns. Falls wir mal ein Auto brauchen, dann ist uns zur Verfügung. Oh Mann, hey. Jetzt hat.
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
Tja. In der Zunge starten wir gleich wieder.
What's happening with you, Ryder?
Respect has to be earned, sweet. Just like money.
So what you saying? You don't respect me?
What I'm saying is,
Speak up, nigga.
I'm hungry.
Ah, man. Shit. Hey, what's
Man
going
cannot
on?
live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit. Carl, you look a little thin, man. You gotta be hungry, man.
Yeah,
Man,
I
what
could
you
eat.
fools trying to eat?
That's
What about
wrong.
some tacos?
Tacos again? Hell no.
Chicken, man. No
Man,
discussion.
I don't want no chicken.
Carl, you dry. Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
Karl, du fährst. Ja, das ist ja bekannt, ne?
How moms get killed? We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet.
How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared.
Some people say they saw a green saber doing the work, then speeding away.
Yeah, but people like to talk, don't they? Anyway, that's half of Santos you talking about.
Yeah, you right. My bad.
Hey, bruh.
They had sprayed the house. I ain't see shit.